Okay, so we're going to be doing a kitchen install here today, a small one, just in between these two walls. So I already drew my lines to where the base cabinets go to that one line you see on the bottom, and then because whoever built this wall before put 24-inch on center, the studs, so it's hard to have anything to screw to. So I'm cutting out a 2-inch strip across the top, and I'm going to put a 1/2-inch piece of plywood in there so that I have something screwed to for the cabinets. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I won't bore you with it, but I'm going to cut this line out and install the 1/2-inch piece of plywood.
Yeah.
Okay, got the drywall cut out. Now I'm going to just put in the 1/2-inch piece of plywood up there so I have a nailer. Stay tuned. Alright.
Looks good.
You can see that I installed all the way across. So next is to do all the base cabinets. There's a lot of shimming for these. The floor is off level about 3/4 of an inch to the right. So good times. I'll update you in a minute. Alright. Got all the cabinets in, the stove in place, fridge back in its pocket, and the microwave installed. Let me level this out a little bit. So the sink's dropped in, but we still got to do all the plumbing, do the faucets and the sprayer, and then the kick plate down there. This floor was so far off, it was like 1 5/8 off down on the bottom right cabinet, you can see. And the very left one's pretty much on the floor. Maybe a shim underneath the left side, but overall it came out pretty clean. All right.